I wanted to work on projects that helped impact the community. EPICS is the perfect opportunity to learn how to work with a team, to learn how to work with other people, engineering mentors, and talk to them as if they were your peers.
EPICS is offered to nonprofits at no cost, and we're able to do that because of our corporate sponsors.
I think I've worked with 4 teams at this point. I've never had a team that disappointed me.
What the students are building is a secure database that allows us to not have to recreate a spreadsheet every semester, and it gives us consistency and makes it easier for us to report on and measure our progress towards our goals.
They were so curious and they were so interested in what we were doing and wanting to help.
We are so excited that we have record-breaking enrollment. We have incredible retention between EPICS 1 and EPICS 2. It's incredible to watch students return for 2, 3, 4, 5 semesters. I think the fact that we are making such a big difference for local nonprofits really is incredibly fulfilling for everyone involved.
I loved that a lot of the teams collaborate on ideas. That teams, if they have problems, they say, hey, you have some similar technology, can you help us out with this problem? And that's something that I've really enjoyed seeing. And it helps at EPICS, like the lab space is an open studio and teams are interacting with each other. I found myself listening to conversations from other teams and seeing how that could help us if they're talking about similar issues.
The kids are always available. They usually come by the office at least once and kind of meet the office staff and just look at all the pictures and get to know more about us.
My biggest passion is see students succeed in what they do. And I think that EPICS is a great tool for them to achieve that.
Here in EPICS, there are so many opportunities for corporate engagement with our program. When companies get involved in EPICS, not only are they allowing these projects within the community to happen, they're also able to really have great access to our students, interacting with them, mentoring them, recruiting them for different opportunities at their companies. So we are very grateful for our corporate sponsors.